The global automotive gear market is shifting into high gear. Expected to grow from $4.88 billion in 2024 to $8.5 billion by 2034. From high-performance 7-speed transmissions to cutting-edge smart gears, innovation is driving the automotive gear industry forward. 3D printing and IoT technology are revolutionizing gear production, making it faster, more precise, and cost-effective. Japan leads the charge with investments in electric and hybrid vehicles, fueling demand for specialized, high-performance gears. In the US, high car ownership and a booming vehicle market are driving the need for reliable and efficient gear systems. Commercial vehicles require robust gear systems to handle tough conditions and heavy loads, keeping our logistics and transportation sectors moving. Spur gears are popular for their simplicity and strength, ideal for a wide range of automotive applications. Smart gears with sensors provide real-time performance data, enhancing efficiency and reducing maintenance. Subscribe for the latest updates and trends.